Today, we're revealing something game-changing, our 16 kilowatt-hour home battery, fully equipped, plug and play, and built for serious energy freedom. We just dropped a 16 kilowatt-hours LiFePO₄ energy storage system, built with the best components and a smart BMS. Stick around to see what's inside, how much it costs, and whether it's worth it. This is a 51.2V, 314 Ah LiFePO₄ battery, 16 kilowatt-hour nominal capacity, enough to power a typical household through the night, handle peak shaving, and deliver reliable backup. Think of it like a plug-and-play power bank for your home. Let's unbox it. Comes in a sturdy crate. This thing weighs around 300 pounds, 135 kilograms, so plan for 2 people. Inside you'll find the battery module with built-in wheels or wall mount, plus mounting brackets, quick connect cables, and a user manual. Setup takes under 10 minutes. Position it, connect to your inverter or hybrid solar setup, use tool-less quick plugs for 250A capacity, and power it on. Use on-screen bullet overlays while the host explains. Advanced BMS. Monitors cell voltages, temperature protection, over-undercharge, and short-circuit protection. Touchscreen display/button UI. Gives you instant readouts of voltage, state of charge, current flow. Connectivity. Wi-Fi/Bluetooth monitoring via app. Check your battery stats remotely. Modular scaling. Expandable. Connect up to 15 units in parallel, scaling up to 240 kWh. LiFePO₄ chemistry. Over 8,500 cycles at 80% depth of discharge. That's 20 plus years of daily use. Certifications and safety. IEC 62619, CB/C, UN 38.3, fully certified for residential use. OS stands by spec sheet overlay. Nominal voltage, 51.2V. Capacity, 314 Ah 16 kWh usable. Continuous discharge, 100 to 150A, is almost equal to 5.7 kW. Warranty 5 years. Cycle life, 6,000 to 8,500 cycles at 80% DOD. Dimensions and weight, 820 x 400 x 270 mm, 113 kg. Compare that to lead acid, only 300 to 500 cycles, you're getting a huge warranty and lifespan boost, and a smaller footprint. Now the million-dollar question, how much? Overlay breakdown. Unit cost, battery $1,600 to $1,700. Shipping, import fees, install supplies, $400. Total delivered, $2,000, $200 per unit. For full off-grid capability, you might stack 2 to 3 units. So $4,000 to $6,600 out the door, including extras. His system is ideal for 1. Nighttime solar backup, store daytime solar, use at night. 2. Grid-tight peak shaving, avoid peak demand charges by discharging during high-rate hours. 3. Emergency backup, keep essential circuits running during outages. Host on camera with screen showing savings calculator. If you avoid a 40 cents per kilowatt-hour peak rate by using 16 kilowatt-hour nightly, that's $6.40 per day, nearly $2,300 per year in savings. You can break even in about 2 to 3 years. On-site host. Here's ours installed next to the inverter. Setup was easy, just connect the DC bus, set lithium mode on the inverter, flip the switch, instant power. Quick B-roll, inverter switch, battery display, nighttime lights on. End screen checklist. Check_mark. Pros, high cycle life, scalable, app support, certified safety, compact. Multiply cons, heavy, 113 kg, upfront cost, needs inverter compatibility. Our verdict? This 16 kilowatt-hour battery is the easiest, safest, and most cost-effective way to bring reliable energy storage into your home. You get industrial-grade chemistry in a user-friendly package. If you'd like to dive deeper, specs, wiring tips, or full system pricing, hit the link below or drop a comment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss our DIY energy builds. Thanks for watching.